Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Google Play Store. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Play Store not working issue. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, check your internet connection. You must be connected to a Wi-Fi or data for Google Play Store to function properly. So drag the menu from the top and turn off your Wi-Fi or data and turn it back on. Now check if the problem is fixed. If the problem is not yet fixed, go to the device settings. Scroll down and tap Apps. Scroll down again and tap Google Play Services. Then tap Storage and tap Clear Cache and Manage Storage. Also tap Clear All Data. Once you are done, go back and tap Google Play Store. Similarly, tap Storage and tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Also on the pop-up, tap OK. Finally, restart your device and check if the problem is fixed. And that's how you fix the Play Store not working issue. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.